Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? So I am not painting right now, but I am gonna open my framed monogram box. So if you guys don't know about this, just stay with me and check it out. This is my friend Sarah. Some of you guys know her, but she owns Framed, and she does this amazing monogram box and t-shirt subscription. So I already know what the t-shirt is, and I need to wear it today. We're all wearing it today, so all of us creative girls, we're all taking pictures in our Sarah shirts today. So mine's inside this box, and so I had to jump on and do a live with you guys to show you everything in here, just so I can wear my t-shirt. So let me know if you've ever seen one of these before, or if you have any questions about it. And I'm gonna pull up my little bot really quick. So if you guys do have questions about it, you can just comment on here and you will get sent a message with the link so you can find out more about this. All right, so here we go. So if you don't know what the monogram box is, hey Gretchen, I miss my friends. Every month you get a box of goodies from Sarah, and one of the items inside of here is personalized with your monogram for you. So it's always something fun. Some of my favorite things come from her every single month. I'm going to pull you guys up really quick because I can't see. I think that says Francine. Hey Francine. I'm going to pull you up really quick because I'm blind. Come on, Facebook. Work for me. Hey, Donna. She says hurry. Good morning, Peggy. Okay, so I have to show you the shirt first. And I'm going to put it on after we get off here, and you'll get to see me wear it in the next live that I do, because I have to finish painting this with you guys later today. So if you missed me painting the teal pumpkin and buffalo plaid yesterday, go back and watch that. I'm going to finish it up today. I planned on doing the Christmas ornament with you. I don't know if I'm going to have enough time because I found out I have to leave for Emma's volleyball game earlier than what I thought. So there's two options you can do with her subscription. You can do a combo box, which is what I do because I like all the stuff, all the things, and I don't want to not have a t-shirt. So the combo box is all the fun stuff that I'm going to show you in this box. One of those items is monogrammed, and you also get a t-shirt every month because Sarah makes awesome t-shirts and they're so comfy. So this is the one for this month. Grit and Grace. I love it. And it's got these cute little sleeves on it with some little camo. So I'm super excited to put this on. I've already seen it on all my other girls. And if you follow Tamra, I'm sure she did her box reveal already. She's on it all the time. So you may have already seen this. But here it is. So I'm going to change into that later, and I'll wear it during our next live. Although I'm going to have an apron over top of it because I don't want to get paint on it. I'm really bad about wearing new clothes while I'm painting. There's paint on just about everything that I have. So when you open your box, you get a little card from her. And I love the theme of this one. If you guys didn't see my post, I'm going to show you the sign that's in there. But the theme of this one is stick together. So as women, we stick together and we are the most powerful force in the universe. And this tells you what's inside your box. So the first thing we have are these awesome straws. Hold on, I got to open this. Toss these straws in your bag, not in the ocean. Strong, portable, and oh so easy to clean. Reusable straws help eliminate waste and can go everywhere you go. So this is awesome if you want to take them to restaurants. And it's got a little holder, but I love these kind of straws. This is what I use in my cup. I don't have it in here. The bendy ones. And then it's got a little cleaner to clean your straw also. So that's gift number 1. Do you guys like doing these box reveals? I should be having another one pretty soon. Let me know if you do. Then we have, this is a neoprene car coaster. This cute cactus car coaster easily absorbs all the liquids that drop outside of your cup, keeping your cup holder dry and clean. So I'm gonna hold this up so you guys can see it. And I love the cactus theme. So cute. I'm gonna give you a little, what do I wanna call it? I guess I'm gonna give you a little hint as to what is gonna come Sunday night, because it has to do with cactuses. When I open the doors to my inner tribe, Sunday night, 7:30, you need to be here for our live paint party. Check this out. How cute is that? So you put this in your cup holder in your car and it absorbs all those liquids. By the way, check out my Chiefs nails that I just got done. But cactus theme. I didn't lose my train of thought. When you join, if you join Sunday night, there are always early bird bonuses when you join the first night that I open doors. And one of them, I think I have it here, is our cactus trio painting. So it goes with this theme. I'm going to show you really quick. How cute is this? So this is a bonus tutorial that you get if you sign up the first night to join my membership. So if you have questions about that, let me know. But I thought I would show this to you because it matches the theme of Sarah's box. And she only has, I talked to her yesterday, there are only 10 spots left to be one of her subscribers. So she has a limited amount of inventory that she can send out each month, and then she closes the doors until she launches again, and she only has 10 spots left. So if you want a Grit and Grace t-shirt or your own monogram box, you better hurry because there's only 10 spots left. Then we have, look how cute this is. Can you see that? Cactus ice cube tray. Super cute. Those would look really cute in a little margarita glass. I'm gonna save I always save my biggest thing for last. What? See you for your tree. Oh, you gotta go. This is one of the prints. And I'm gonna be framing this one and putting it in my office. This is what I posted. Is that backwards to you guys? It is. We stick together because no one likes to be alone. We stick together because it makes us feel like we belong. We stick together because we build each other up instead of tearing each other down. We stick together because together we are the most powerful force in the universe. How awesome is that? And that is exactly how, if you know me at all, you've probably heard me talk about my creative friends. We all have different businesses and we all support each other and build each other up. And we literally couldn't do life without one another. We talk to each other every day, all day long. It's pretty comical what goes on inside our thread. But not only is that how I feel about them, but it's how I feel about my tribe and how all the girls in my tribe feel about each other. And it's just awesome to be in that kind of community where women are building each other up. It's the way it should be. All right, my last thing here. And then I have to hop off. I'm meeting Corey for lunch. Going to get some barbecue. Check this out. How cute is this? I don't know if you can see it. So it's got my monogram on it. And it's all those little cactuses. Aren't they adorable? So it matches the coaster that goes in your car. So pretty, so cute. And I mean, if you don't have one of these cups, they're amazing because they keep your stuff cold forever. But yeah, it's so super cute. So that's what's in the box this month. You've got your cup with the monogram. You've got your little cactus ice cube tray. Your car, I just forgot what it's called, coaster. I don't know why I drew a blank on that. Your reusable straws to take with you. My print, which I love. I'm going to have to make a cool frame for that. I don't know what color I want it to be. It should be a colorful frame to go with this, don't you think? I think so. And then if you do the combo, or you can just do the t-shirt. You can do both, or you can do one or the other. But this is the shirt for September. Grit and Grace. So that's what I got for y'all today. And then come back this afternoon. It'll probably be about 2:30-ish when I come back live. And we're going to finish up this painting. So if you missed the beginning of this, go back to my videos. It was live yesterday about 2:30 also. So just scroll down my Facebook page, or you can go to the videos tab and find me teaching the first part of this painting. I'm losing my voice. But yesterday I was talking about how I wanted to add, I think I want to add a second pumpkin on here, like a little white pumpkin, and maybe some berries just to give it a pop of color. So I'm going to do that this afternoon. And then if we have time before I have to go to Emma's game, then we'll do our little Christmas ornament. If we don't have time, we'll do it next week. So I'll still do it with you guys. So that is coming later this afternoon. If you want to get alerts when I go live, just comment below. You can just say live alert or me, whatever you want to. And you'll get a message from me in Messenger, and just reply back yes when you get that. And it'll add you to my subscription service so you get notified when I go live. All right? So I'll be back this afternoon, you guys. Bye.